Jigg Ov Da Swamp. Not every goblin lives in Northwood Cave. Some like a bit more space. Some like a bit more stink. Follow the Tinkle downstream just past the stepping stones and you'll come to a stretch of land that squelches when it breathes. That's where the swamp begins. That's where the stink lives. And the stink is where Jigg calls home. No one is quite really sure if the stink is a place, a presence, or just that thing. I guess that's why Jigg likes it so much. His hut stands tall on stilts, poking out of the mud like beetles' legs. From the porch, you can smell the bubbling pot of Swamp-Gup Soup long before you see it. Jigg is a shaman. Not the staff-waving, spell-casting sort, but the kind who speaks with wind and water and mud, and who knows when the mushrooms are listening, and who sometimes flips backward into a cartwheel just to see what the sky thinks. He has 4 masks, and each one tells him something different about the world. The long one, carved from jungle wood, that's his mask of earth. Makes his voice go deep and wise, like he's made of tree bark and secrets. That one's his favourite. The shiny one, shaped like a fish head, the mask of water, that one makes him go quiet, real quiet. He says water doesn't always speak with words. The obsidian one, heavy as regret, the mask of fire, that one makes him stomp about like an ogre and shout things about cauldrons. The less said the better, actually. And the painted gourd, that's his mask of air. It makes him sing so loud the birds in the reeds fly sideways. Jigg says that one makes the wind laugh. Folk come from all over Owtdare to visit Jigg. Some want wisdom. Some want to ask the Shroom-Web for guidance, but most just want a bowl of that Swamp-Gup Soup. It's famous in this part of the woods, thick, spicy, full of little surprises. No matter how far you've walked to get there, once you sit on Jigg's porch, your feet stop aching, the swamp smells a little sweeter, and you forget why you ever thought the stink was such a bad place to be. As if there's one thing Jigg knows better than anyone, it's that sometimes the best places are the ones no one else wanted. And if you're ready to stay, the full belly, a hot mug, and an orchestra of wings floating around the porch lights in the twilight, then you may be in for quite a treat. That was a tale from Owtdare, whispered through the stream of the swamp. And if you're just joining us, it's a whole world to explore at Owtdare.com. You'll find maps, characters, and even links to some illustrated storybooks if you want to take the tales with you. Sleep well, traveller. We'll see you next time.